So you can kind of see where it's smooth and then where it's low. You can see where it's taking material off, and right here it's not, because that's a valley. So the goal is to get it all to where it's one solid piece just like this, and that way I know I'm flat against the truck. So I want to go all the way down until I'm like that. I may have to add more material. If this is too low to where it's sinking back down into that body line right here, then I'll add more material. But if not, I'll just keep sanding until I get it all flat. Now this is acetone. I'm wiping it down because I've got to bond some more to it. I don't know that this is exactly necessary, but I want to give it the best chance to actually stick and bond to it, so that's why I'm wiping it down with this acetone right quick. Well, I was, till I dropped my thing. Now what I'll do is once this hardens up, I'll take the belt sander again and I'll make a pass over the top, and then I'll make a pass down low, and then it'll show me any low spots that are still there because they won't get sanded and only the hot spots will, and I can kind of know that's where I got to add more filler to those spots. So I'll add more in those spots, and then I'll repeat the process until I get a smooth sand from start to finish for the whole entire piece, and then I'll know I've got the piece, I know I've got the door part level, I know I've got all this level in one where I don't have any low spots in there. But I'll show you that in just a second. As soon as this hardens up, I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and check it then. Okay, you can see where it is low again. Here, that's the main spot that it's low. I think this part's fine. I think that'll sand out, but I'll probably put some there anyway. So here and here and here, and I think here. So those 3 spots, and I think I'm good. Okay, you can see I got it pretty well sanded down, pretty smooth. It's all pretty much flat. I've got some little pinholes in here that I've got to take care of. Let's see if I can show you. These little dots, all these little dots are little tiny pinholes. And there's a big one over here. So we'll fill all of those in the next video, and then we'll be almost ready for paint. So we've got a little bit more prep work to do after we fill all those little pinholes, but that'll get done in the next video. And I'm gonna sand it a little bit more, I think, but I'm gonna do that off camera because again, that's a lot of sanding, and I know you guys have seen enough of that. So in the next video, we'll be filling in those little pinholes, and then we will be getting ready for primer and then paint.